Today we're going to be embroidering this duck picture using all sustainable threads or products. We're going to start with our Sensa Green. We have pre-wound our bobbins using the Sensa Green bobbin thread. We're going to be using this Sulky KK2000, which is a temporary spray adhesive. We have the Ripstitch 20 soft tearaway, it's a 2 ounce, and we have this handmade paper. All right, so now we're going to hoop this backing, and again, this is the Ripstitch 20, the 2 ounce. Now we're going to put this handmade paper onto the backing using this Sulky KK2000. This is safe for you, exclusively non-flammable, it's non-toxic, odorless, and clear. Safe for our planet. So we'll put the paper on here. Gonna give it a good spray. Flip this over. Center that on there. And we are ready for the machine. And now we're going to get this hoop on the machine. We're going to trace to make sure that it is in the center. Looks like we are just about good to go. And here we go. And it looks like we now have the finished product. All right, so now we're going to take this out of the hoop. And we have to rip this backing away from this paper, and we have to do it very gently as to not perforate the ducks out of that handmade paper. So I'm going to put my hand right on that stitching as to, let's get a little closer, as to not rip by that stitching. Because this is going to go in a frame after, so leaving some extra backing on there is going to be good just to hold it. There. And the front side. And now we're going to take it to the iron so we can iron out those stitches nice and flat. And so we're going to iron this, and we're going to use a pressing cloth. This is just a piece of fabric. We're going to wet it a little on the bottom. I'm also going to use a pressing cloth on the top, and I'm also going to wet that. I'm actually going to flip this upside down so it's further away from the iron. Let's see what we got. And that is much flatter, it's not bulging. And now we're going to get this into a frame. Wait till you see what we got.